up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, I will be unboxing some packages from NCAT and RSO on me. They did send me some gifts for my birthday that I received today. So I'm gonna start with the package from RSO on me. So here it is. So this is obviously a poster from the Love Yourself tour, which I'm super excited to go from. Okay, so here it is. I'll just remove everything. So it's a poster set! So that means this is all 7 of them. Here we go. Lord, I'm missing this so. Okay, so there's Namjoon, Yoongi. Oh my god, lavender soft ginseng head. Oh my god, Hupari. I wanna post this on the wall, please. Picture frame. Jimin. Yeah. It's so buggy. So there is that, Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final tour poster sets. Thank you so much for that. And then next we have this, whatever is inside this parcel. Okay, this is the next one. So there's a note. Let's read it. Happy birthday, Sammy. Thank you for being part of our growing family. You're one of the most supportive and genuine influencers I know. I want you to know that we always appreciate and love you. I've been keeping on your collector's account for days. I'm hoping you still don't have these gifts I'm sending you. No way. No way. Oh my god. It's Lisa. It's her photo book. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po for this. Oh my god, she gave me a Stray Kids album. This is my second Stray Kids album. Amen. I'm dead on the floor. Thank you so much, Arisani, for all these gifts. I am super duper thankful. Please do go check them out on Instagram. They are one of the most trusted K-pop shops that I do follow out there. The shipping is super duper fast, so please do go check them out. The link will be down below in the description. Now let's start with our gift from Ed. No way. OMG. So it says, Happy birthday, Sammy, from NCAT. They gave me... No way. They gave me a bucket hat. I'm gonna wear this for the remainder of the video. So they gave me this Stussy. Is it Stussy? No, it's not Stussy. I have no idea what the brand is, but I'm guessing, yeah. It's just a bucket hat from NCAT. So I'm super duper thankful for. Thank you for this. I can feel like joking now. And then they gave me a mount. They gave me a mount note pad. Thanks. I can put this in my desk. That's super duper busy. So the small pen. It just has Mammy on it. Yay! Thank you so much for this. And then they gave me a fan. This is perfect for like when it's brown out, you know. So thank you for this. This will come in very, 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 very handy. So there was that. No, they did not. They did not. Okay, let's open. So these are the BT21 Line Friends blind bags. Well, it's not really blind bags. Blind vans that you can buy from them. I do actually have one of these. It's over there. I got Cookie the last time. I got that like 2 Christmases ago. So let's just open it. No way! We got Cookie again! Hey! Thank you so much, and got for this. So it comes with little accessories for Cookie. So we have that. We got Chimmy for the second one. So again, Chimmy just has little accessories that come with him that you can place on stuff. The third one is Shoki! Yay! So like Chimmy and Cookie. He also comes with oh my gosh, he comes with his family members and his friends and other accessories that you can put them on. So there are more stuff here. They gave me earrings. So these dangling earrings. There's a charger. Not sure what for. Thank you for this charger. Oh, I think it's for the fan. And then I have some rings, which I super duper love because I love wearing rings. I super duper love wearing rings, as you can see. And then they gave me these Stacy dangling earrings. And oh my gosh, yes! They gave me studded earrings, which I super duper need because of my ears. I haven't worn earrings in a very long time, so I really needed this. Thank you so much for this. And then there's a paper bag. And then cat. They gave me ponytails which are super duper cute. So there's this one and a scrunchie. I super love scrunchies. And then a white scrunchie. And then one with a pink bow. And then one with this like white ribbon. So thank you so much for the hair accessories and cat. I can't wait to use all of these. We have a Tata. This is a Tata chair cushion, which I super duper need because my chair needs a cushion as I have a very hard time sitting on my chair because it's really like my butt gets really numb. Sorry for TMI. My butt gets really numb when I'm sitting there for a long time. So thank you so much for this. I super duper needed this. Also gave me a Chimmy neck pillow, which I can use for traveling. So thank you so much for this. And then what's nice about this is that it has a hood. So like when you're sleeping, and then you put the neck pillow. We're doing this right here. When you're sleeping on the plane and like the car, thank you so much for this. I can use this when I travel to the province sometime or when I go on trips. And Hypen Dawn, the Dawn version. Order 1. Okay, that's what I already got June 1 for my dusk. I think it was dusk. So let's see what I pull this time. not really gonna show you the inclusions anymore because I did that for my Shopee for sale. So here we are again, the CD, and then the postcard. So if you want to see the inclusions of this album, you can just go straight to that video. No way! Why am I so lucky? No freaking way! Are you kidding? I got Jungwon and Sonu. I'm so lucky! So I got Jungwon and Sonu, which I'm super duper happy about because Jungwon is my bias and Sonu is my wrecker. So there is that. And then of course it comes with the QR code and then the defined message. And then the photo book. So yeah, that is basically it. There's nothing else in this box. Thank you so much, Kat and Arasoni, for sending me gifts for my birthday. I super duper appreciate everything that you gave me, and I can't wait to use them all and display them all. So please guys, go do check out Kat and Arasoni. Their links will be down below in the description box. You may go check them out. Kat does have a shop on Shopee that you can also check out, which I will be also linking down below in the description box, so you can go get your K-pop merch right away if you don't really want to wait for a long ETA. You can just go check them out. They do restock a lot and they do have a lot of sales. So yeah, and then for Arasoni, if there's stuff that you don't really find on the internet and you're looking for a specific item that you want from Korea, you can go check them out as well on Instagram and go send them a message. And yeah, if you guys like this video, if you want more unboxing videos, please do give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box to know when I post every Friday. And I'll see you guys in another video next Friday. Bye!